Pine Nut Pesto, a delicious language lesson. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a tasty topic. Pine Nut Pesto. This phrase not only tickles your taste buds but is also a great example of English language vocabulary. Let's dive into what each word means and how they come together in this delightful dish. Pine nuts are small, edible seeds from pine trees. They are usually light in color and have a soft, buttery texture. Pine nuts are used in various cuisines around the world and are known for their rich, nutty flavor. In this section, we'll explore where pine nuts come from, how they're harvested, and their role in different dishes. Pesto is a sauce that originates from Italy. Traditionally, it's made from crushed garlic, European pine nuts, coarse salt, basil leaves, and hard cheese like Parmesan or Pecorino, all blended with olive oil. We'll take a closer look at how pesto is made, its variations, and its use in cooking. Now that we understand pine nut and pesto, let's combine them. Pine nut pesto is essentially a type of pesto sauce where pine nuts play a significant role. We'll discuss how pine nuts affect the flavor and texture of the pesto and some popular dishes where pine nut pesto is used. I hope this video has helped you learn not just about a delicious ingredient and sauce but also about the English language. Remember, cooking and language learning can both be fun and enriching experiences. Stay curious, and happy learning!